Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Thursday, January 5th, 2023. I hope you're having a great day. I'm going to keep this video short. It's just a friendly reminder that today is our cutoff day. So you have until 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to lock in the best possible position in our matrix. All right, so this is for all who have pre-enrolled already and those who are thinking about LiveGood but haven't. All right, you have until tonight to lock in the best possible position. Also, it's payday for those of us who are already in LiveGood. All right. Now, our back office won't be updated until tomorrow, but I do plan on doing a video tomorrow to show you all the commissions I received this past week and everything else that's going on inside the matrix and my back office here. Okay. So this will be updated sometime tonight or tomorrow, and I'm super excited to see what that's going to say. And then one other thing I want to show you is right here. I'm just going to refresh this. All right, so we have 45 new members this month in our team already. All right, now if you watched my video from yesterday, this number was 29. So in the last 24 hours, this number has gone up by 16 members. All right, 16 new members in our team have joined. All right, and these are all people that I get paid for in our matrix. All right, so the company's exploding. It's crazy, and I'm just super, super excited about it. Now, one thing I am doing is for everyone who joins under me, I am taking your affiliate link, putting it in our team rotator, and then I'm driving traffic to it. All right, and honestly, I'm focusing more on getting my personal referrals upgraded to bronze as quickly as possible. All right, I think once you get to the bronze level, if you decide not to do anything further with it, but just sit back and let the spillover happen and whatnot, you can do that. But I think bronze is the best level. You don't want to come in and just be on ranked and not do anything, okay? Because being a bronze, you open up more levels in the matrix and earn more in the matching bonuses and everything. So if you want to learn more about this company, click on the link down below in the description box. You'll be taken over to a page that looks just like this. You can watch this short 5-minute video and decide if this is something that you think is right for you or not. If you do want to pre-enroll, then just put your first name, last name, email, and click reserve my position now. And what you want to do is you want to make sure that you upgrade before 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time tonight to make sure that you get the best possible position in our matrix. All right, this is going to be huge in 2023, folks. I mean, I think I almost have 100 people below me now since I joined this back on December 21st. So, and those are all people I'm going to earn from in the matrix. So it's absolutely incredible. The products are incredible. I'm drinking the essential aminos right now. I'm feeling really good. I'm pumped full of energy. I know I'm losing weight, which I'm going to do a video about that on Sunday, this coming Sunday. And yeah, so that's it. Super pumped about this. So anyway, I really do appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos. If you find any value in them, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. It helps me out a lot and I appreciate it. And like I said before, if you have any questions about LiveGood, leave them down in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. All right? So I look forward to seeing you in tomorrow's video. And until then, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.